Oh shoot, what are you doing to our SC, dude?
We're cutting it up and putting some over fenders on.
Oh shoot, you know what you're doing, bro?
Yeah, just a little bit. Knocking her up, making sure she fits right. Cut all the parts we got to.
Sick, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm always excited.
Are you gonna do the first Bernie in this car when it's done?
Oh, if they let me.
Dude, that's tight. The car actually looks like a car now. It doesn't look like a shit bucket. Damn, Chris, you're a surgeon, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna mark out your cuts. Cut a line through this, where it like supports it.
Yeah.
Cut the slits. You can fold it up and reattach it.
That looks thick.
Oh yeah, that is our fish. They're all thick.
That looks thick.
Thick and juicy.
There's no turning back now.
I know.
Wide bodies are a commitment, dude.
One and done, can't go back.
It looks like loose skin now. Do you do this a lot often?
Not really. That's fun. Yeah, I only do it really for you guys and like my friend.
Yeah. And it's thorough. Because most people just kind of leave those Johnnies dangling, no?
Yeah, some people just leave them dangling. Some people cut them. I like to just throw the rivet in there that way. At least it holds itself up there.
Hey yo, that's tight. Fiberglass everywhere, everywhere fiberglass. Fitting, my man. I feel like that gas cap might be a little.
Gas cap always a tough spot. Open it like that much half the time. But
That'll do.
it's enough.
That'll do. Body kit over gas. No one needs gas.
Oh, everyone needs gas.
At least on this side, you have the gas cap to hold the boy up.
Exactly.
Do you have to do any adjusting for this part? Or this kind of like just slaps on?
It's supposed to just slap on, but that side we have to raise the fender a little bit.
Yeah.
This side, it's just
This should be good because the door doesn't rub on this side, yeah?
sure. Like keep it like that.
Yeet!
Doesn't fit too bad.
Dude, this car's gonna turn out sick. Oh.
Chris is definitely doing a way better job than I did with my Supra.
Chris, we just want to say thank you, bro. Thank you so much for coming on a Saturday. You could be doing better things, but you're here at Dinda helping us. Dude, thank you. Dude, it's coming together. Next, bumper, Van Canners. Dude, I haven't seen this thing with a bumper on it in so long. Will it fit?
Oh, geez. I don't like problems. I don't want no problems. No problem. How flexible is this? Not flexible. I really like it.
Doctor, thank you, doctor. Dude, it's done. And it looks pretty sick. Oh man. That fitment is the greatest. I love it. Chris, thank you again, my man.
Oh, man, I always had to help
I can't wait to see this thing rip and break all that shit.